Alright, welcome back to Hobby Outpost. Today we got the 2019 Optic football came in, so we're going to jump right into that break. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification, like. Any support I can get from you guys would be appreciated. I just want to thank anybody who's been commenting on the videos. Make sure you stay tuned afterwards for the giveaways and stuff, so it'll be cool. Do the subscriber exclusives after the box break, but we're going to go on and jump right in. One autograph per box, bunch of rookie color hopefully is what we're looking for, and just some cool parallels and stuff. 20 packs, 4 cards per pack. I think I'm just going to set the box up over here. That. Sweet. I guess there are RPAs in this stuff, downtown insert, lots of different stuff, so I'm just kind of excited to get into this box and see what we can get. Alshon Jeffrey Hollow, Lonnie Johnson rookie. I know there's been a few videos on this product already, so I'm not really going to show the base too much. So we got Ravens on the back. Just got done watching the Ravens game. Oh, Ravens on the back and the front. Power Formulas, Odell Beckham Jr. That's a pretty cool insert. I think that looks better on the Optic than on the regular Donruss. Rated rookie, Miles Boykin. Ravens started off kind of slow today, but ended up pulling it out. Myles Garrett, he wasn't playing. Got blue Adrian Peterson. Jamil Dean rookie card. Adrian Peterson's out of 150. So that's our first color parallel, Adrian Peterson. The champ is here, Julian Edelman insert. I guess it's like a Patriots. I don't know. All the versions of this insert I've seen so far have been Patriots. Jonathan Abram rookie card. Kenyon Drake. Paris Campbell rated rookie. Will Greer rated rookie. Will Greer had his first start today. Didn't look like they were winning. I didn't check any of his stats or anything. Not sure how he did. Terrell Suggs, Zach Allen rookie card. One of the throwback cards, Michael Thomas. And Benny Snell, rated rookie. color in there. Chauncey Gardner-Johnson, rookie card. Haven't heard about him yet. Out of 199, that's the orange parallel for the Saints. Montez Sweat. Lonnie Johnson rookie card. Red out of 99. Raquel Armstead rookie. Lots of packs. Sony Michel blue. It's like a light blue. At $2.99. And a Myles Gaskin rookie card. Will Greer out of 50 is the autograph. Rated rookie Will Greer auto. Cool. Rookie quarterback auto out of 50, rated rookie. Hopefully he did good. But his first start, doesn't look like they're leaning back towards Cam Newton any, so he's got opportunities over there. Rookie card of Brian Burns. Yeah, not bad at all for one auto box. Rock Ya-Sin, hollow rookie card. Armani Hooker. Alright, so we got the auto out of the way. Let's see if we get some, maybe some good rated rookies or some rookie color. Russell Wilson. Darrell Henderson, rated rookie. Zay Jones, Kenny Galladay, Juan Thornhill rookie. Juan Thornhill, light blue. I think these were out of $2.99. Yep, out of $2.99. Byron Murphy rookie card. A handful of packs left. Sean McCoy Elite Series. Like that insert set from the regular Donruss. Almost looks a little cooler. Christian Wilkins rookie card. I got a Miles Boykin Elite Series rookie out of regular Donruss, and I feel like they look a little cooler out of the regular one. That's cool though. Flip this over. There we go. Up Lamar on the front. Cool. Minka Fitzpatrick. Justice Hill hollow rated rookie. Got a touchdown today in the game. Good timing with that one. I really like the look of those hollow rated rookies. It's awesome. Drew Sample, rookie card. Looks like we got 2 packs left. Kamara, Odell, Kuechly, Clayton Thorson, rated rookie. Last pack. Ryan Kerrigan, light blue out of 299. And a Dexter Williams rookie card. So we didn't get anything super short print. We didn't get any high rated rookie quarterbacks, but Will Grier, rated rookie auto out of 50. It's pretty good. 12 out of 50. Will Grier, rated rookie. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to jump over to the other screen and do some subscriber exclusives. Just talk about the giveaway and stuff for the month. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Hang in there. Alright, welcome to the subscriber exclusive segment of the channel. This is where I'll offer up a couple cards for sale and or talk about giveaways for the month. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. 2019 Optic Hobby Box break. I think we did alright with the autograph. Will Grier, rated rookie auto out of 50 with his regular rated rookie. So I mean, that's not a bad auto at all. I know he didn't play too well today in his debut game, but rated rookie quarterback auto is always decent, has potential. So I was happy with that. But this week I'm switch the subscriber exclusives up to 2 cards. Either one of these will be $10 shipped. This is Diontae Johnson, Phoenix rookie card, black parallel, serial number 9 out of 10 from Phoenix. $10 shipped. Or the Dak Prescott Obsidian pitch black die cut card out of 75. We broke this one on the channel, the Obsidian box. Pulled that on the channel. I take payments through PayPal only right now, and I ship to the lower 48 states for $10 shipped on either one of these. If you're interested in adding those to the collection, just look down at the link below and hit me up on Instagram. And the giveaway for the month of December is coming to an end here shortly. Undeniable Baker Mayfield patch card. This is serial number 4 out of 5, fireworks patch. All you have to do is leave a comment down below, and I'll do a random comment selection from this video. And if you get hit with the random comment selection, I'll put you in the random.org with all the other videos for the month. I'm going to do a random comment from each one. So, and then we'll just do a random.org at the end of the month to see who wins the card. It's a completely free giveaway. All you'll have to do is claim it at the end of the month, and I'll ship it to you if your name was selected on the random.org. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. Just bearing with me on some of this lighting. I'm trying to figure it out. If anybody's got any tips on how to get some good lighting on the cards without making them too shiny or anything like that, I'd appreciate any tips, stuff to look into. But I appreciate y'all bearing with me while we get this channel rolling. I thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. See you next time.